Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the signal path, route each deck to its mixer channel, and name them so you never guess later. Once done, set the audio interface to 44. 1 or 48 kHz and a stable buffer, then set input gain so peaks hit roughly -6 dB to keep headroom. Make sure to use the channel trim and engage a gentle high pass to remove sub-rumble. This preserves low-end control when you reach the EQ section. You now work the equalizer with intent. Sweep the mid-band with a narrow cue to locate harsh or boxy frequencies, then cut 3 to 6 dB rather than overboosting. Once you've removed problems, use a bell for presence and a shelving curve for highs and lows to taste. Make sure to monitor in context with the other deck and the master bus. Small, musical moves preserve energy and avoid facey, over-processed sound when you mix tracks together. You finish mixes by automating EQ moves. Cut bass on the outgoing track slowly, then bring in the incoming bass last to keep low-end punch. Once done, always bypass the EQ to compare and verify the mix translates. If an element disappears, check phase and mono compatibility. If harshness or nulling persists, reset the channel EQ to flat, resweep to find the offender, and apply smaller corrections. This one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.